Welcome to the Debt Calculator version 1.2. You should already have some sort of knowledge of how the first one runs. Generally, we're going to enter the debt amount right here. This is the settlement average, 40%. We can go 12.25 up here. This is obviously the retainer fee. And the last fee, 15% of the savings. So, in this case, it would be 60%. Now we have two options. Option one, fees rolled in. This is one flat payment. So let's just go and pretend we do one real quick right here. So let's just say consumer has $50,000 worth of debt and he wants to go ahead and get this taken care of on a 36-month program for $929.86. So scroll down here. Now 36-month program, $929.86. Say his name is John Doe, and he is at 123 Main, Dallas, Texas. Email address, phone number is all correct. Now the question is out of the 36 months, this is going to be the flat payment. What percentage of this payment will go towards the main retainer fee, which is $61.25? Most of the time, we usually split it at 50%. Go ahead and click in here the monthly debit date. Let's just say it's the 5th of the month. Option 1, go to sheet 3, which is the rolled in payments. As you can see, John Doe. Here's the address. This is the payment confirmation schedule. Make sure this is either checking or savings, whichever checking account or savings account he's with. We're adding an account number, all accurate. It's got to be equal to the Note World Trust Account sign-up form. Now, we have the payments, and you can see this auto populated to the 5th. Payment right here, and half of it's going to the enrollment cost. The other half is going to the settlement funds. Looks like it's going to be going to the enrollment cost for a good maybe 10-12 months, and then some change. All of this right here, all these months will equal the $61.25, which is the actual retainer fee. Naturally, at the end of this month, when it's being split, the amount of funds that go to settlements are going to increase until everything is going to settlements, minus the $12.50 Note World fee, which is accounted for right here. So, let's just, for argument's sake, let's say it's December 5 of 2009. Mr. John Doe wants to start his payments on January of 2010. Here's where you have to do a little bit of work. Anything left of this H column will be printed out. Anything to the right is just your workspace. So go ahead and paste this here. Right click, paste here again. Right click, paste here again, and there's 36 months. 2010. Scroll down here all the way to the bottom, which will be right here, 2012. Right click and paste. Simple. Go ahead and print this out here. All these are going to be equaling about the same. Client signature, co-client signature, you can fax that in, and this serves as the new payment schedule, and you can give a copy to your client too so they can have for their memory. Now, let's go back to the same calculations to the same client, and let's do the most common priced out program, which is the installment payments. So most installment payments is 3 or 4 payments. Let's just say in this case it's 4 payments of $1531.25. So you scroll down here to the bottom, installment payments. Now let's go number of installment payments. 4 installment payments, $1531.25. And let's go number of months in the program. Let's just do, because we can't do over 48, we got to go minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 44 months at $623.86. Okay. Now we're going to go to option 2, page 2. Now, again, here's the top, the payment summary, client name, estimated settlement to creditors, enrollment fee. All the main guesstimations are right on this page right here. The only thing we have to worry is the dates we want to run these installments. So let's just say again we're in December, and we're going to go ahead and start the program here in January. So we got 4 equal installment payments spread over 4 months. And let's just say this is going to be on the 5th, this is going to be on the 10th, this is going to be on the 12th, the 15th, and this is 2010. You can go over here to the key. It's easily accessible. Now, obviously, we're going to be needing about 8 months here in 2010 because it's going to start out in May of 2010. And we're going to scroll all the way down here to, let me see, 44 months, 2013. This is even. Again, this is even with the square right here. So it's pretty simple to copy and paste over. There you go. Now, month. Stop here in April for the installments. So let's start off with May. And let's go over here from January to December. Paste 12 at a time. And we're going to be out some change here, so they should end in about August. There you go. And they can go ahead and sign that. Co-client can sign that. And their payment schedule. Oh, I'm sorry. It looks like we still have a couple more left. September, October, December. There, now it's all even. So 2013. And that's officially done. So, you know, for enrollment fees, and for enrollments, just make sure you go ahead and print off this one and print off the program that you went ahead and chose, and we can go ahead and get that client set up on the program. And the client also has a copy of all their payment debit dates, which is nice. This concludes the Debt Calculator version 1.2 training tutorial.